The words you learned from anime now official. Kawaii, so cute, すごい amazing, おいしい delicious, 楽しい so fun, say it with feeling. See something cute, kawaii, a fox in a crown, kawaii, fireworks explode, すごい your friend does a flip, すごい kawaii, すごい楽しい大好き I love it, say it loud ちょっとnot quite sure Hi is yes, ie is no One word, one feeling, pure These are the words that anime gave you Now they're yours in real life too One word, one feeling, straight from the heart Speaking with feeling, that's the art Kawaii, すごいおいしい楽しい大好き Hi, ie Say what you feel, feel what you say You speak with your heart